Hi, my beautiful friends. I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you hopefully a problem solver, because many times when I am talking to friends or in client sessions, one of the big things is that there's just not, the saying, there's just not enough time in the day, or life is life, and there's just so much going on, and I'm just dropping the ball on my home. And that's the reality for so many of us, because things get busy, and sometimes it's just for a couple of weeks when certain things are going on. Sometimes it can go on for years. And so I want to really share with you a home maintenance routine that is a 20-minute routine that can really help you just maintain the homes, because just by maintaining it, it really is important, because it will then reduce stress for you, because that's the thing. When our house is cluttered, that's when that stress starts piling on. So number one is declutter spaces. Walk around your house for 2 minutes and pick up whatever you can pick up. Putting remotes back, putting magazines in the trash that you read, kind of picking up the kids' toys. 2 minutes doesn't sound like a long time, but actually it is a good amount of time if you're just walking and strictly focused on just picking up what you can. And also, friends, I recommend kind of setting timers with your phone as you do each one of these items, so that you really stay on that 20-minute mark, because by staying on that 20-minute mark, it really can help you kind of keep up the consistency, because it doesn't feel overwhelming. If you start kind of straying from this routine, then you may drop off, because it starts to not be that just quick 20-minute cleaning routine. So friends, the next thing is to fluff those pillows. If you have those pillows on your chairs and on your sofa, in the entryway, you want to go through and just kind of fluff them up, put them back, because pillows are one thing that can really make a house feel sloppy and slouchy, because you've been lounging on them. And so that is really a quick fix to go through and just fluff pillows. And because it's 2 minutes, not only can you do the pillows in the living room, you can go in the entryway, you can go in the den, you can go in the bedroom, all around the house. Just walk around for 2 minutes, only focused on fluffing those pillows. So friends, the next tip is actually sponsored by my friends at Brooklinen. Many of you know how much I have loved them over the years. I have gotten so many of you hooked on their pillows, because they are the absolute best on the market, and they have amazing bed linens. And I love that they're just very clean. They're luxury linens, but at a beautiful price point, And then I also love the fact that you can get them in so many different styles, and because all of us have our different styles. But if you're looking for just that great luxury quality linen that's, in the wintertime, it'll keep you warm. In the summertime, it keeps you cool, because it has that breathable fabric. They are the ones for you. So I am so excited, because I actually just got a new set of the duvet and the blanket and the sheet sets for our bed. And it's just, that is one of the things that motivate me in my house, when I can put new fresh sheets on. So I love that. So that is the next tip, is to hit that bed and get those sheets changed if they need to be changed for the day, and get the bed made. And if it's nighttime that you're doing this routine, go ahead and just get the bed prepped for night, so that when you're getting out of the shower and you're getting ready to go to bed, your bed looks nice. Not that you have to fully make the bed. You can kind of fold the sheets back and get the bed ready for you to get into it. And again, that is a beautiful way to welcome yourself to your sleep. And so I encourage you, whether it's in the morning, go ahead and fully make the bed. But if it's in the evening, then go ahead and prep your bed, so that once you finish doing your 20-minute sweep and you take your shower, you're still welcome to a beautiful bed at the end of your day. So friends, the next 2-minute tip is to wipe down spaces. Go in the bathroom, wipe down the counter. Go in the kitchen, wipe down the counter, the entryway. Just only focus on wiping. Now the thing is, you want to stay away from getting pulled in. I find that sometimes when I'm working with clients and we're talking through their systems and things like that, they're easily distracted. Like they'll go to wipe a counter, then they'll start putting things away because they see them on the counter. This is very intentional. So the 2 minutes that you're spending on each item, you want to be intentional about only doing that item. So it's only about wiping down the items. It's not about clearing out and putting things away. So that's why in the beginning you went and you kind of put things away. So do that first, so that when you get to the 2 minutes of wiping, it's just, you can really go through and wipe. The next tip, friends, is to open or close, if it's nighttime, your blinds and your curtains, however you do it in your home. So just by going through and kind of straightening up the curtains, closing them if it's nighttime, or opening them if it's the daytime to let the sunlight in, that really has a huge impact on your home. And again, take those 2 minutes just to simply do that. The next tip, friends, is to vacuum. Take 2 minutes to go through and vacuum as much of that house as you can. Now, the thing to remember is if you're doing this every day, this day you may vacuum the living room for 2 minutes. Tomorrow you may vacuum the entryway for 2 minutes. So every day you can kind of move through a different room and vacuum it. Now, I'm a believer in the RoboVac also. So if you have your RoboVac, you can set it to go off once you go to bed, and it can vacuum to the house for you. So it's really up to you. Sometimes I like to take my vacuum to do my rugs because Robo will get stuck sometimes, and then that frustrates me. And so sometimes if I have a bulkier, like my living room rug is a little bulkier and it kind of folds up easy, so I'll go ahead and do that rug and then let Robo do everything else. But so the thing that I want to stress to you is just don't feel like you have to vacuum the whole house in that 2-minute time frame. It's just whatever you can get vacuumed in that 2-minute time frame. So the next tip is to spend 2 minutes in your entryway. That is your first impression space. That is the one that welcomes you when you come home. That is the one that is the last to see you when you leave. And oftentimes it can be the most cluttered with kids' shoes, bags. It's like a drop zone. And so it is one that really needs that 2-minute time, for itself. So go to your entryway, pick up the shoes and put them back, kind of put things in order, and just spend a quality 2 minutes, no more, in that space. The next 2 minutes is just about straightening up the furniture, putting the chairs at the table back under the table, kind of moving the chairs where they, if something just kind of got moved out of place, you want to just kind of make sure that the furniture is back arranged. If you have a home office, putting your desk chair back, you have a little cart, kind of put the cart back where it goes. Those furniture pieces, just kind of moving those back where they belong. Take 2 minutes to do something that beautifies your home. This may be kind of putting fresh flowers out. It may be taking your plants and wiping them down because oftentimes they will get dusty. It may be about lighting a candle. Anything that is going to beautify your space. Give at least 2 minutes in that 20 minutes to doing something to make it beautiful. So it may be taking some of your decor pieces and rearranging them. Just little things like that. If you think about if you're doing this every day for 20 minutes, over time, it's just really, your home is really just going to start feeling naturally always put together. So I hope that has been helpful. I also want to remind you to check out my friends at Brooklinen. I'll put a link in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye. La, la.